Hello guys, in today's video we're gonna talk about how to create a website for a personalized travel planning business easy and quick. So first type Dorable on the search. So as we know, Durable website is a place on the internet where you can find information and services related to things that last a long time or are strong and able to withstand wear and tear. It's all about things that are built to stay in good condition for a while. So also we know that you can build this website in just 30 seconds with this AI. This AI website builder can generate an entire website with images and copy in seconds. So first, let's sign in. Now create new business. Enter your business name, type any business name you want. Now select your industry. And enter your location now and choose your website language and create business. Now wait a few seconds to generate this website. Now first let's go to the first section on the website, the header section. Here you can edit the header section. You can change the site name. Here if you want to turn this on and replace the company name with a logo. You can upload a file. Here if you want to change the label or add new label. You can add external link. Here if you want to turn this on, open link in a new page. You can manage your social links and you can add a channel. Now just select the type of the social link and here put the link. So that's it. The style, if you want to edit the style section, you can edit the positioning or the social icon, the size, the shape, the full width, the sticky, and the spacing and the background. So that's it. Let's save this. If you want to add a section, you can add it from here. Here just select any section you want and you're gonna make it you're gonna add it on the website. So the next section is the banner section of the website. You can edit it from here. Now if you want to change this, just click regenerate and it will be changed. Also the subtext, if you want to change it, just click here. The button here, the label, if you want to change it. You can add external link and you can turn this on and open link in your page. Here if you want to edit the style section, the spacing or the horizontal alignments or the background. Here if you want to turn this on and combine with header. So let's save this. The next section is the image section of the website. You can edit it from here. Now if you want to regenerate image, here if you want to edit the image position, also the style of the section, the image or the spacing or the background, you can edit it. So let's save this. The next section is the text section of the website. You can edit it from here. Now if you want to generate another text, just click here. If you want to edit the style or the size of the writing, here the style of the section, the alignment or the spacing or the background. So that's it. Next section is the list section of the website. You can edit it from here. Now if you want to change this, also the display, if you want to the display settings, shows what will be displayed for each list item. You can edit the list items. You can add the list item here if you want to generate the image. You can edit the image position. You can generate title. Also here if you want to generate the content, the label, if you want to add a label. So let's save this. You can edit the style of the section, the alignment and the image, the spacing, the background. So like all the previous sections, all of them has the same thing of this. So let's save it and let's move on. The next section is the testimonial section. Edit here. If you want to add a testimonial, you can generate a code, you can generate by who, and also here if you want to upload a file. So let's save this. If you want to edit the style, the alignment, the space in the background, like all the sections. So let's move on to the next section. The next section, the gallery section of the website. Edit. You can generate another image here. If you want to add the name of the heading, you can upload image from browser. Upload just put it here and it will be uploaded. If you want to choose some image from here, for example, let's choose this. The style, the hidden alignments, the type, the image, the spacing, and the vertical alignments. So like this. The background also, if you want to, it is the color. So let's save this. The next section is the location section of the website. You can edit this here if you want to change the business address. Here you can add text file. So you can also edit the style of the section, the type or the theme or the rounded corners or the vertical alignments or the background. So that's it. The next section is the contact form section. You can edit it from here. Now if you want to generate another text form, another contact form, you can also manage files. You can turn this on and custom input labels. You can generate the form success message. So let's save this and let's move on to the next section. The next section is the footer section of the website. You can edit from here. Now if you want to change the business name, you can also turn this on and replace company name with the logo. You can add your business address or any other relevant details, and you can edit the social links. And also here you can add the channel. You can just select the type of the social link and here add the link. So that's it. Now if you want to regenerate the section, the content or the style of the entire section, just select any type you want here, any option. Also if you want to duplicate this section, you can duplicate it from here. If you want to move it up or move it down, if you want to delete it from here. So now all you have to do is click publish and you're gonna publish your website and get your free custom domain name. So that's it for today. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.